Tonight, just 3 days from now, the fate of Atlanta City Detention Center may be decided. It's been a years-long fight over what to do with the facility, which only houses about a few dozen inmates at a time.
Well, the city has a plan on the table to lease the site out to the sheriff's office for overcrowding. But tonight, hundreds of Metro doctors are condemning that plan. CBS 46's Sierra Cummings joins us live now with the details. Sierra.
Good evening. To be clear, the Atlanta Detention Center, it only houses a few dozen inmates of low-level offenses. Now, Metro Atlanta doctors, they're saying that this is a healthcare crisis, not a political one. The argument is that it costs much more to operate this location as a jail than it could cost to operate it as a wellness and equity center named in honor of the late John Lewis.
It is well documented and really quite easy to observe that the root causes of crime are poverty, trauma, mental illness, and addiction. And the solutions for these are accessible resources, clinical treatment, and community support.
It is this exact sentiment which led to 300 Atlanta doctors signing a letter against the city's proposal to lease its jail out to the Fulton County Sheriff's Office, which faces overcrowding. But physicians argue
the best solution to overcrowding in jails is decarceration.
The doctors here,
close the jail.
They're backing activists who seek the facility being turned into the John Lewis Center for Wellness, maintaining when the current mayor, Andre Dickens, was councilman, he even backed legislation in support.
We're not here to try to legislate based on vibes. We want to talk about the evidence and what's going to make this city safe.
Their rallying cry, communities over cages. The healthcare professionals believe the sheriff and the city's elected leaders must go back to the drawing board to re-examine who's housed in jails and ways to help them.
Jails are not mental health facilities.
Cycle of homelessness, the criminalization of poverty, incarceration, coming to the clinic, we try to heal, and then back to the street again. We have to.
And full city council is expected to come to a vote this Monday. These doctors say they will be rallying at city council at 11:30. We're live in Atlanta. I'm Sierra Cummings, CBS 46 News.